Hi, how are you? We are going to draw a carrot today. So let's start the drawing. We begin the line from here. You know, all the vegetables and fruits, they have the basic shape. So from the beginning, we just try to draw the basic shape. Then we do the details of each part. So you can see, usually the carrots looks like this. There are some sticks here like this. Some are taller, some are shorter. All right. Little details here. And this comes like this. These are the wrinkles usually we see on the body of the vegetables. These are the basic steps for the nice drawing. To draw all the details we see here. All right. Few drops we are going to put it later. Now we are going to put the orange color to the outside. Like this. All right, orange colors here to the border, the darker color we see here. Also, we're doing the details here to the outside. Now the lighter shade in the middle. All right. As you can see that the basic drawing has just completed. So we move, put the shades here, the darker shades, both sides of these lines. All right. These are the details. After we're done with the pen details, we'll go for the pencil sketch. Let's make the drawing little bit uniform in shades here. All right, let's put little green here. And few lines outside like this. All right, so this is the basic drawing of the carrot. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Have a good day.